In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view contact information on WhatsApp Web. If you need to quickly check the details of someone you're chatting with, WhatsApp Web makes that very simple. This is useful when you want to confirm who you're talking to, review their profile details, or just access their contact information without picking up your phone. The process only takes a few seconds, and once you know where to look, it becomes very easy to repeat anytime you need it. To begin, make sure you already have WhatsApp Web open in your browser and that your account is connected properly. Once you're on the main screen, go ahead and open the chat of the person whose information you want to view. You can do this by selecting the conversation from the chat list on the left side of the screen. If you have many chats open, you can also use the search bar to find the person faster. Just click on the conversation so it opens in the main chat window. After the chat is open, look at the top area of the conversation. You'll see the contact's name displayed above the messages. This top bar gives you quick access to more details about that person or that chat. To continue, simply click on the contact name. As soon as you click the name, a side panel or information section will open. This is where WhatsApp Web shows the available contact information for that person. Depending on what the contact has chosen to share, you may see their profile photo, their name, and possibly other profile details. In some cases, you may also see media, links, or files shared in the conversation, which can be helpful if you're trying to review past content connected to that contact. If you don't see as much information as expected, keep in mind that visibility may depend on the other person's privacy settings, as well as how they saved or configured their profile. So if certain details are missing, that is completely normal. And that's all it takes. Open the chat, click the contact name at the top, and the contact information will appear. It's a very quick feature, but it can be incredibly useful when you want to verify details or simply manage your conversations more efficiently on a larger screen.